This is a 2008 Chevy Suburban 2500. It's in great shape considering the miles and the year. It's got some good tread left here, Bridgestone Dweller lenses with the 20-inch Eagle alloy rims and chrome. Got your running boards, white mirrors, the white ABS rain guards here on the top of the windows. Paint's in great shape. Window tint. Now this is a 9-passenger vehicle. It has a bench in the front, second row, and third, so 3 in each row can fit in this vehicle. It does have a tow package with your reverse parking sensors. Some mud flaps. This is the LT trim. It does have the roof rails with the cross rails on it. I'll jump up there in just a second. On the front you have an ABS rock guard there on the hood. It's painted white to match. Front bumper looks to be in great shape. Headlights look good. There's your roof rails. Not easy to get up there, so sorry. There's your second row bench, seats 3 wide. Got some WeatherTech liners there. Has a sunroof, and then there's your overhead DVD. There's your third row that seats 3. Got all your air vents on the top. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. The driver's side has the memory seating package as well as heated seats, and then the passenger has their heated seats. This has the power folding side mirrors. There's another front set of WeatherTech liners, goes all the way across the hump there. Power driver seat. So you got this 40-20-40 split bench console there. Flip that up. And there you got your seat. You got automatic headlights. It's not flashing actually in person, it's just the camera reacting to the screen there. Dual zone climate control. There's your power adjustable pedals. There's your Bluetooth. Cruise control. Odometer says 173,000 miles. Up top you got your garage door opener. There's your OnStar with your compass and temperatures. It's a non-smoker. It does have the BOSE audio. And looking on the key fob, you have your remote start as well as your power lift gate.